Africa is a massive continent made up of 54 different countries which all have their own achievements, failures, solutions, problems, and situations. Many of these countries are successful, politically stable, and economically robust. These statistics about pan-African famine and poverty, they are true, but really there is a handful of very poor countries statistically dragging down the whole of the continent, while outliers on the other end do not fit this mold at all. For example, Botswana has managed its diamond wealth very well, reinvested in its population and infrastructure through strong institutions and fairly stable democracy. Mauritius is Africa's leader in GDP per capita wealth by some measures, managing a well-diversified economy with stable democracy and consistent institutions. Ghana has seen stable growth and carried out peaceful transitions of power for decades now. Morocco, Seychelles, Namibia, and Kenya are other examples of African countries which are successful by many modern metrics. Of course, none of these places, and indeed no places at all, are utopian. That isn't the point here. Instead, that the idea of Africa as a monolithic place teetering on the brink of collapse is profoundly untrue. Africa is many different things, and it is not some wasteland that needs saving. This is an important point, and it is one we will come back to later in this video. Still, while much of Africa thrives, there is certainly hardship on the continent in remarkable concentration and severity. This is owing not to one thing or the other, but a veritable hailstorm of different forces, which almost no other region on Earth has had to endure simultaneously.